Hello, I am Dr. Jalpa Bhatt. Today's first question is what is PCOS and what is PCOD? If we find out the previous term was PCOD, nowadays we call it PCOS, that is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. Because it is not only a disease, it is a syndrome affecting different systems of the body. One is the fertility system of the body, second is the carbohydrate metabolism of the body, and third is the other hormonal systems affecting because of this imbalance. So PCOS is Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. In general, hello, myself Dr. Jalpa Bhatt. Our second question is what are the symptoms of PCOS? The common symptoms of PCOS are because of insulin insensitization. That means every cell of our body gets insensitized to insulin, which does not allows the glucose to go inside the cells. And all the symptoms are because of this insulin insensitization. It leads to androgen disturbances or increase in the androgen also. There are disturbances of female hormones that are estrogen and progesterone, and this is because of the anovulation. And collectively this leads to symptoms of hyperandrogenism, that is increased hairs in the midline of the body, that is male pattern of hair, dark and coarse. Second would be anovulation, that leads to irregular menstruation. And the third one is obesity or increase in the fat deposition of the body. Hello. Our third question is why PCOS occurs. PCOS occurs usually because of our lifestyle changes which has occurred, our environmental changes which has occurred, and our diet and environment which has got adulterated or polluted. So exact reason of PCOS is not known, but most of the time it has been accounted because of our environment changes and sedentary lifestyle, lack of exercise, eating more amount of fat in our body, and some amount of PCOS is also being caused because of the genetic predisposition which Hello. Our fourth question is what is the treatment of PCOS? As such, if we see there is no direct treatment of PCOS, but there are 2 to 3 things which are very much important. First is our lifestyle modification. How do we modify our lifestyle? First, we have to make our sedentary lifestyle a little bit active, increase our BMR. How can we do that? We do that by exercise and being active in day-to-day activity. So that helps in controlling the PCOS or it stops the progression of PCOS. Second would be dietary changes. You have to count the calories of your daily requirement and take the calories accordingly. Restrict the fatty food. It is not that you completely stop taking fatty food, but you have to restrict the fatty food and take the daily required calories, no extra calories. So that will take care of the insulin insensitization in the body and less amount of fat deposition in the body. Exercise will increase the insulin sensitization, so that will also help in controlling the fat deposition. Activity that leads to male kind of hairs which are coarse and black. So once we start the treatment for PCOS, they will also be controlled, and we need to take some lesser treatment for that also. There are 2 types of allopathic treatment available for PCOS. One is metformin, the drug which we use in diabetes. Metformin is being gold standard in using in controlling the PCOS, and second are the insulin sensitizers. These are their action is not like metformin, but they are the analogs. So they will help in insulin sensitivity of the cells, and by that way they will increase the metabolism of carbohydrate and decrease the deposition of the fat. The patient comes to us at different age. Suppose an adolescent girl with PCOS comes, the treatment would obviously be lifestyle modification, exercise and diet control. We do not put her on the medication until and unless she is having irregular menstruation or lot of hairs over the face or center of the body. The patient which comes in the fertile period or fertility age group with the problem of infertility, we have to treat them with either metformin or insulin sensitizers. Same patient if she has completed her obstetric career, she has got children and now she has developed the symptoms of PCOS, we can manage according to the problems of whether it is irregular menstruation, whether it is a weight gain. Depending on that, we manage the case. So there is no single treatment for PCOS available, but lifestyle changes are most important and they are most helpful in any age group. Thank you.